Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a little restoration work on this Buckeye Incubator. It's a coal stove. The Buckeye Incubator, they were founded in 1893, and they produced several different models of incubators. This one I'm going to use in the shop. It's in pretty good shape overall. I'm going to sandblast it and paint it. It has this arm right here. It has a This is a thermostat arm. It's kind of hard to find information on it, but this arm is supposed to go on like that, and it has these little things. I'm going to try to find some information on it, but I believe when it heats up, they expand, and it somehow opens the draft here. This one's a model 117, and like I say, I don't really need the incubator arm, the thermostat, because it's just, I'm going to put it in a little shop I use, and I'm going to be in there most of the time. So it should work just fine. It's got a nice shaker on it. Thing's in pretty good shape. I'm going to give it a quick sandblasting, some paint. Then I'll do a little more research on it. Try to give you a little more information. So let's get started. All right, one more thing. It's an extremely cold day today. When I say extremely, I think it's like, I read it was like 26 degrees, somewhere around there. So I hope everything's gonna work. But I'll show you just how cold it is. I thought I had everything drained for the pool, but I guess I didn't, and the water froze in that pipe right there, so I'm gonna have to replace that little piece of pipe going into the shop. But that's all that's frozen, that's okay. So I'm gonna get started sandblasting if everything runs the way it should. I didn't have plans to restore this stove until warmer weather, but I decided to I want to put it in my shop, and it ain't even winter yet. It's actually the beginning of December, so I think it'd be a good time now to to refurbish this, and it's going into a smaller portion of the building. I'll show you that in a later video, well, later on in this video, but it should work really well because it's not a big area to heat. So that's why I'm gonna try it out. Okay, got it all sandblasted to where we want it for paint. Actually come out pretty good. So we're gonna take that and move it inside. That way we can close the door and get a little heat in here. I'm probably thinking I might not paint it till tomorrow, but whatever I do, I'll bring you along. So stay tuned.